Myself Dr. Rekha Lokhande, and in this video I'm going to talk about the right way of eating rice. So please watch the video till the end and do like, follow and subscribe to PhysioLive. The first tip is avoid polished rice. Only eat semi-brown rice, and if available you can eat red rice also. The second tip is cook the rice in the same water as it was soaked in. It will not only give you nicely tasty rice but also gives all the required starchy nutritions as well. So soak them for around 20 to 30 minutes depending on the quality of your rice and use the same water to cook. The third tip is rice cooked in the open vessel are definitely healthier than the pressure cooked. And if you are a healthy individual, do not remove the starchy water of the cooked rice. But if anybody in your family is diabetic, they should avoid the starchy water of the rice and only have the open vessel cooked rice in their meals. The fourth tip is always have double the amount of dal and sabji in your rice. It will make it low glycemic index food and also fulfills all the amino acids required by your body. So have a lot of dal and sabji with your rice, and also don't forget to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of desi ghee in your rice. It will give you the nice taste as well as the good digestion. The fifth tip is rice can be eaten in lunch and dinner, but prefer chapatis for the lunch and rice for the dinner, because the rice gets digested fast, keeps your metabolism strong and gives you a sound sleep. Also helps you to maintain your healthy weight, and it also prevents you from getting bloated next day. So the few good options I would like to give here is have dal, sabji and rice, or kadhi and rice, or dahi and rice. The last but not the least, don't eat leftover rice. It will not only give you the stomach pain, but it also troubles the digestion. So avoid eating leftover rice from the previous days. Always prefer freshly cooked rice and consume them within 3 to 4 hours of it. For such knowledgeable videos, do like, follow and subscribe to PhysioLive so that you will never miss on our latest videos. Stay happy, stay active, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.